Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Doximity. This is ticker DOCS. Now, Doximity is outperforming a lot of stocks in the market right now. If I look at the SPY, we see SPY closing at the lows and not a breakout in sight. QQQ making a lower low on the daily chart. IWM down near the lows. And so it's really odd to find a stock that is not only green today, but closing near the highs and doing it on volume. And that tells me that Doximity has a pretty high amount of relative strength versus the rest of the stocks in the market. So I think that this is definitely a stock that we should pay attention to. Just on a technical level, we see Doximity finding support just under the 21-day EMA in the near term. Down here, longer term, right near that 50-day moving average is a level of support. And today's price action, we have a clear downward sloping trend line. Resistance, 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 and it broke above today, closed above, and again did it on pretty good volume. So those are key metrics that I look for in terms of stocks that are potentially actionable or at least watch list worthy. Now, because of the weakness in the market, I'd probably wait for the market to kind of turn around before starting a position, but I would definitely want to set a breakout alert here on Doximity right around this 5670 level. We can see how, I'll delete this, 5670 was resistance here, and it was resistance here. So it's a pretty key level, and if we want a clear breakout and a test of this high from over here, then we're going to have to first tackle this level and do it ideally on good volume. So we'll want to see that volume come in again and see the buyers push this stock above a pretty clear level of resistance, and that could give us a test of this all-time high at around $62. Now, that's not a big swing trade or anything like that, but it sure is better than sitting on your hands and watching the S&P and the Qs go down and close near the lows. So definitely keep an eye on Doximity and set an alert right around 5670 and look for that breakout coming on volume. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full list, take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.